Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary force driving economic growth and redefining the world as we know it. Let's take a moment to delve into a recent study that examined the impact of artificial intelligence and natural resource management on China's economic growth from 1981 to 2021. The research found that artificial intelligence and efficient natural resource management tend to increase economic growth. This, my friends, is the power of technology and strategic resource usage. The study revealed asymmetric effects of artificial intelligence, showing an increasing trend for the positive component and a decreasing trend for the harmful component. Essentially, the benefits of AI are growing, while its drawbacks are decreasing. But it's not all a bed of roses. The study also found that interest rates and inflation can have a negative impact on economic growth in both the short and long run. This means that while AI can propel economic growth, there are other macroeconomic factors that can hinder this progress. On the bright side, the study also found that trade openness and government expenditures may have adverse effects in the short run, but can contribute positively in the long run. This suggests that the initial hiccups of policy changes and trade liberalization can eventually give way to economic growth and prosperity. What's fascinating about this research is its implications for economic policy. It suggests that AI can play a significant role in advancing economic control and management technology, potentially improving the efficiency of the economic system. This is a testament to the immense potential of artificial intelligence in reshaping our economic landscape. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we see its potential to drive economic growth and development. Artificial intelligence casts a wide net in its impact on economic growth, with both positive and negative components. Let's delve into the asymmetric effects of artificial intelligence on economic progress. It's a bit like a coin with two faces. On one side, we have the increasing trend for the positive component, and on the other, a decreasing trend for the harmful component. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our economic fabric. It's like the threads in a tapestry, interwoven into sectors as diverse as healthcare, transportation, finance, and education. On the positive side, AI has the potential to supercharge economic growth. It can enhance productivity, foster innovation, and create new kinds of jobs. Think about the AI-driven advancements we've seen in recent years, from autonomous vehicles to personalized learning tools. These innovations are not just cool tech toys. They're powerful economic engines, but just like any engine, AI can also produce some smoke. On the negative side, AI can lead to job displacement due to automation, exacerbate income inequality, and even pose challenges to privacy and security. It's a classic case of technology's double-edged sword. Now here's where the asymmetry comes into play. Research suggests that the positive effects of AI on economic growth are on an upward trajectory. That means the benefits are becoming increasingly pronounced over time. The harmful effects, on the other hand, are showing a downward trend. They're still present, of course, but their impact is gradually diminishing. This dynamic is a testament to our ability to harness the power of AI while mitigating its potential downsides. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first we might wobble and fall, but over time we become more adept at balancing and steering, and the ride becomes smoother and more enjoyable. The asymmetric nature of AI's impact on economic growth paints a complex but promising picture. In essence, it's a narrative of progress, a story of how we're learning to navigate the AI landscape for the betterment of our economies and societies. In the economic landscape, fiscal policies and AI are intertwined in a delicate dance. Fiscal policies, the strategies used by governments to manage their economies, greatly impact the course of economic growth and development. Faced with the rise of AI, these policies are evolving to address the challenges and harness the opportunities presented by this transformative technology. The study we've highlighted earlier underscores the potential of AI to enhance economic control and management technology. It's a game changer for policymakers, illuminating new ways to strategize and implement fiscal policies. As AI improves efficiency and accuracy in data analysis, it aids in the formulation of effective monetary and fiscal policies. This is critical in an era where economies are increasingly complex and interconnected. Take, for instance, how AI can help manage inflation rates. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can provide insights into inflation trends, helping policymakers set appropriate interest rates. Similarly, AI can aid in understanding the impact of government expenditures on economic growth, helping to balance short-term adverse effects with long-term benefits. The potential of AI extends even further. It can help manage trade openness, analyzing global trade flows and trends to inform policies that foster economic growth. In the realm of natural resource management, AI can guide sustainable practices, contributing to long-term economic stability. But as with any dance, the steps are not always straightforward. Policymakers must navigate the complexities of AI, including ethical considerations and the risk of over-reliance on technology. It's a delicate balance, requiring careful thought and strategic planning. In the hands of policymakers, AI can be a powerful tool to steer economic growth. The dance continues, and it's a fascinating one to watch as fiscal policies and AI move in step towards a future of sustainable economic growth. Sustainability and economic growth, two concepts that seem at odds, but with AI they can go hand in hand. How, you ask? Well, let's dive in. Natural resource management, a crucial component of sustainable economic growth, can be significantly improved with the application of artificial intelligence. Using advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can optimize resource allocation, minimize waste, and predict future demand for resources. This leads to more efficient use of natural resources, reducing the strain on our planet and promoting sustainable growth. But what about reducing dependence on conventional energy resources? That's where AI comes into play once again. By integrating AI into renewable energy systems, we can increase efficiency and reliability. For instance, AI can predict weather patterns for optimal use of solar and wind energy, manage energy storage to reduce waste, and even control smart grids to balance energy supply and demand, reducing the need for fossil fuels. Now let's look at a real-life example: China. The country has been incorporating AI into its economy in various ways, and this includes its approach to sustainable growth. China is focusing on environmental protection and implementing policies like the tax law of environmental protection. AI plays a significant role in these efforts, helping to monitor environmental changes, manage resources, and enforce regulations. These initiatives have not only led to improved environmental conditions, but also created economic opportunities. By investing in AI and green technology, China is fostering new industries and jobs, demonstrating that economic growth and sustainability can indeed coexist. However, it's important to remember that this is not an easy journey. It requires careful planning, policy making, and most importantly, a commitment to balance economic progress with environmental preservation. But with AI, we have a powerful tool to help us on this path. So to wrap up, the potential of AI extends beyond just economic growth. It offers a path to sustainable economic growth, striking a balance between progress and preservation. As we've learned, AI is not just about robots and automation. It's a catalyst for economic growth. It's been a journey of discovery, diving into the intricacies of artificial intelligence and how it's shaping economies around the globe. We've seen how AI is impacting economic growth, with a recent study demonstrating its influential role in China's economic development. This research revealed that artificial intelligence, coupled with effective natural resource management, tends to increase economic growth. When we looked closer, we discovered that the impact of AI is not symmetric. It has increasing effects when the economy is on the rise, and decreasing effects when the economy is slowing down. We then ventured into the realm of fiscal policies. It was intriguing to see how the right, monetary, and fiscal policies can steer the influence of AI toward positive economic growth. We learned how these policies could help harness AI's potential while mitigating its adverse effects. In the context of China, the study underscored the importance of sustainable methods and reducing reliance on conventional energy resources. Our exploration then took us to the concept of sustainable economic growth. We discovered that AI could be a game changer in achieving this. AI has the potential to transform economic control and management. thereby improving the efficiency of economic systems. The study underscored the need for a focus on environmental protection, with AI playing a crucial role in this shift. To sum up, artificial intelligence is not just a technological marvel, it's an economic powerhouse that's driving growth and development in unprecedented ways. It's shaping fiscal policies, transforming traditional economic structures, and paving the way for a sustainable future. It's a testament to how technology can be harnessed for the betterment of economies and societies at large. Artificial intelligence, in its multifaceted role, is paving the way for a future of sustainable and robust economic growth. As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.